take a look inside and, oh, what did you know? Oh, what's going on here? As I suspect, sometimes you get these choke systems that get stuck open. So it must have been closed and then it opened up while we fired it up and it warmed up, and now it's stuck in the open position. I'll show you guys what I mean here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but right in here where I'm pointing my finger, there's a choke. Let's see if I can get a screwdriver here. Right in here. Need some light. Yeah, it might be a little bit better. So right in there is your throttle plate, your choke. And you can see it's wide open. If I went to try and start that again from a cold position, that is not going to start. It has to actually be closed in a closed position like that. So that's closed. It looks like maybe there's something sticky here preventing it from coming back, or the Autochoke system on the other side where the exhaust is that heats up might actually not be hooked up correctly. I've seen that before as well. So we'll have to take a look at that, guys. So here's the governor. It's like a wind vane where this thing's spinning. It's going to push this guy out and it'll open that throttle butterfly valve here and allow more air in. And then you'll get more fuel mixing in with that as well. Looks like this thing has a brand new coil, or it's not been used that much. It looks like it's a brand new coil. So that's nice. That's about a $25 part for the non-OEM one. So, and probably double that at least for an OEM part. So, it's just something that seems to be catching. So, oh, it's the coil. It's catching on the coil. On the top of this coil right here. Let me show you. So it's catching right here. Here's your here's your auto choke right here. And this heats up with the muffler and then takes the choke off like that. But this is your governor air vane, and it's actually hitting right here on the edge. I don't know if you can see that. My camera work is awful. This is my first YouTube video. It's actually hitting on this edge, and then once it goes full open, once this auto choke warms up and expands all the way to the open position, it actually moves this air vane all the way up over this little hump, and it's catching there. So what I'll probably end up doing is just, I'm not sure if this is the right coil. It looks like it's working because it obviously ran. So I might just notch this air vane out just a little bit so it doesn't get caught up on there, as you can see. And that should fix that problem. Alright guys, next thing I'm going to do here I think is I'm just going to take a little, I'm going to shave a little bit off of this air vane piece here just so it clears that ignition coil. So hopefully just using a sharp pair of dikes is going to help with that. Let's pick up these new tools made by Channel Lock. They came in a set of 4. Regular $100 I think I paid for, I'm gonna say $60. It was $60 for 4. See if this works. Yeah. So there you go. I just snipped off a little piece here, so it's a little less of an angle, or a little less material there. So we'll see how that works out. Hopefully that works good. This little flywheel, you can see now it doesn't rub at all on the ignition coil. So when this auto choke comes out, turns off the choke, it's not going to touch anymore. So all is well.